Your imagination keeps you where it must. Do you feel what I feel?